Dear friends, this week we're going to drill the holes for the construction piece at our Phap temple in Sydney. We had approximately 60 holes that need to be drilled. After that, we put steel inside the hole to keep them strong and then pour concrete. We have around 60 or 63 holes like this to keep the ground firmly for the construction to be built on top of it. For strength and stability, each pier will be drilled to the depth of 6 meters to 7 meters underground. You will see the concrete truck coming and they pour the concrete into the hole in a minute. I'm so excited to share the profile lesson I learned from this project with you. Just as we need visible and intense conditions like steel and concrete to build a strong foundation, we also need similar conditions in our personal development journey. The conditions serve as the solid necessary for growth and transformation. After that, in order to develop and improve, we need to confront the reality that the visible things need to be turned into visible things. Then all other parts would grow from there. The Buddha always said that in order to benefit order and attain complete liberation, we need solid steps such as being born in this precious human body form, practicing virtuous life, training for good health, keeping a good relationship, building an abundant life, and practicing a good spiritual level. All these basic steps are visible, vital, and necessary to build a strong, fulfilled life. But first, these steps must be visible, clear, and strong. After these steps, the next steps is turning the visible things into invisible things for higher achievement. But that's the next step story, dear friends. Let's all work together to make these steps as clear and strong for our development. You have a good day.